welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's been a couple months and the last few months have just been really hectic. I ended up moving again and just trying to like resettle into a new place. I feel like as a creative is always kind of hard because you not only are like moving your things, but you also have to like get your place into like a position of which it like inspires you. I don't know. I tend to like have to like organize my entire house before I feel like I can like start to make a mess, because then it's just gonna like pile on top of and make everything else worse. I don't know. It might just be me. Anyways, during that move, I ended up coming across this, which for context is my very first painting ever. I did this when I was 14 years old and I am 27 now. I remember when I did this was the first time I'd ever really like painted outside of like a daycare or like a school program, of which like was like, this is your project, you have to do it. So it was like the first time I ever did anything that like I wanted to do in like acrylic paint form. I thought it would be really cool, since it's been about 13 years since I've done this, to remake it in my style now and to just kind of see like what that much evolution of creating looks like. Because since I made this, I have just been nonstop making art since then. And so I wanted to remake it and see what it looks like. That's what's gonna be today's video. Let's do it. right, everyone, so here is the result, and we are finished. This is what 13 years of consistent, you know, honing in on your craft looks like. And for everybody, this looks different, but you know, for everyone who is in their creative journey and is, you know, struggling because they're not making things that they like, or it just isn't coming out the way that they thought it would, just keep doing it. Honestly, like, this is a lot of, like I say, 13 years, but there's been, you know, months, years, breaks, you know, things happen. And just because you don't do it every single day or every single month doesn't mean that you're not still capable of making and doing cool things. So thank you all so much for watching. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and I will see you all next time.